The Central Coast Mariners will return to Mudgee this month to take on reigning premiers Western United. Tickets for the Round 4 Isuzu Ute A-League match at Glenwillow are on sale now at 123tix.com.au. Prices for the game start from $35 for grandstand, $20 for adults, $10 for children and $15 for concession card holders. The Saturday 29th of October clash will kick off at 5:15pm with gates open at 4:15pm. Nominations for the 2023 Australia Day Awards are now open on Council's website. There are 6 categories to nominate someone who has made a difference in our community and deserves recognition for their achievements and contributions. Categories include Citizen of the Year, Young Citizen of the Year, Community Event of the Year, the Glenn Johnson Memorial Award for Arts and Music, the Sports Award and Volunteer Services Award. Prolonged wet weather is hampering Council's best efforts to undertake road repairs throughout the local government area. Council is aware that many unsealed and sealed roads are in need of repairs and maintenance as a result of damage caused by the La Nina weather event. Council is prioritising these repairs and doing what it can as conditions permit. With the extremely wet ground conditions and more rain forecast over the coming weeks and months, Council is reminding motorists to drive to the conditions of the road, take caution when crossing any stormwater on roadways, do not attempt to traverse creeks and other crossings that are clearly underwater, and be aware that minor and major road failures, as well as potholes, may form during periods of high rainfall. If you notice a problem with a road, please report it to Council immediately. You can report a problem on Council's website or by contacting Council on 6378 2850. Council was named the winner of the 2022 Skillset Local Government Award last month. Mayor Des Kennedy and Director of Operations Julian Geddes accepted the award that recognises Council's work with trainees and apprentices at the Skillset 40th birthday celebration. Council trainee Samuel Patterson was also named a finalist for the 2022 Skillset Trainee of the Year Award. Council has secured $1.4 million in New South Wales Government grant funding to support the release of more housing lots throughout the region. In the short term, the funding will enable Council to design and construct infrastructure to supply 22 new lots at its Saleyards Lane development. In the long term, the project will deliver water modelling and urban release strategies to accommodate a further potential 2,000 lots zoned for future housing but not yet developed. Mudgee has been named Australia's top tourism town for the second year in a row. The announcement was made last month by the Australian Tourism Industry Council at Parliament House in Canberra. The award acknowledges the exceptional tourism development of our region and efforts to increase visitation and the visitor economy. The tourism industry is essential to our local economy, delivering $101.2 million annually. Council recognises this value and works hard to support tourism as a key sector by delivering and attracting major events and providing infrastructure to support the increasing demand. Council would like to congratulate Mudgee Region Tourism and the region's outstanding tourism operators on their incredible efforts to promote the region as an attractive and thriving regional destination.